Hello, ladies and gentlemen, how are you today? Very good. Good morning, Israel. Good morning. You know, it's a winter time in Israel and all the time we have a sun. So it's amazing. I love the sun and I love models, and today we will work on this amazing body. I will show you how I prepare everything, and in the next video we will do the primer. Okay, so today we will focus on this car, this body, how to prepare it, the mold line, everything. I will show you my tips and tricks, and that's it. If you enjoy, you want to come, what are you waiting for? Let's go. So yes, we have it, everything set. I show you the tool that I use, some Kobe knife, some engraver by Tamiya, very good one, a 0.2, as you can see with the green, it means it's a 2, 0.2, a file by Tamiya, a very good one, Kobe knife cutter, sorry, Kobe knife cutter, a side point cutter, it's a very good one by Mr. Robbie. My favorite tool, Cordless Pro, guys, very good one, and I will show you what I do it, and also a micro mesh sanding stick. Okay, first of all, as I say, wash this amazing model because it's a little bit greasy, and you need all the time, you want that the primer will stick to this model. So first of all, let's clean the fleshy area from the mold line. As you can see, we have here a fleshy area that we will not need it. Okay, just remove it with something you can take from inside area, a knife, and remove it. Do it slowly. Okay, everybody see, I can remove all the fleshing area, very important. They have a lot of them in models, in the resin kit, especially in resin kit. It's not clean enough. Okay, look from this area also. You can use a file. Clean it. What you think? This is going to be crazy model. You wait for it. No surprise, this car will be in Ferrari red, so will not be surprised. Just look the way you decide which color and what to do with it. Okay, after I clean it, I take the this air vent, two air vent. I can mistake because they have a different size and a different angle. As you can see, just verify it's go inside. Okay, flip it over and you can see over there, very super easy task. If it not say, you see it's not fit. Okay, so it means it's the other side. Okay, fit perfectly. You see, you can mistake, so don't be scared. Okay, I will not glue it because I want to paint it in black. Okay, one more thing, I take the front lip and just verify it's okay, because I don't want after the paint, don't want to play with it after the paint. Okay, I just verify it's sit very good, and that's it. Okay, do you see it's fit good? I not touch it, just paint it. Okay, also the mirror. The mirror, I just verified it go inside. Sorry, this is the other mirror for this area. Okay, I just verified it's go inside. That's it. No need to play with it. No need to glue it now. Just verify it's go inside, and that's it. But now, this is the easy parts. Let's move to engrave. Engrave part between the panel lines. Very careful, do it very slowly. When you use this tool, you can make scratch. So what I'm doing, put the model on the table, use my finger to hold it, my hand to hold it, the other end go inside, and my finger, look on my finger, touching the model all the time, so I be very stabilized. Okay, and just engrave the area. Okay, do it 4 or 5 times. Okay, do you see? It's very nice when you paint it, and after that you can put the panel line by Tamiya, and you will see the black line. It's awesome. Look all the time about my finger, I touch the model all the time. It's very helpful for me. I get stabilized, and it's awesome way to do it. Even if you make a stretch, you can fix it with putty, not a problem at all. They have a many lines that you need to engrave. I just show you some of them. This is the technique. Look my hands all the time, my finger on the model. I try to put it on the table, on solid ground, and engrave it all the way. Yes, don't be scared to use this tool. It's a wonderful tool by Tamiya, by the way. You can see it over there. Yes, you can see it on the screen. They have many shape, many size, from 0.1 until 0.5. This is 0.2. You see how much easy is it? Don't put a pressure, just little bit pressure. It take the material out, and it will leave you with a nice line that you can fill it with the Tamiya panel line. I think it's an awesome tool. I think it's one of my favorite tool. They have many style. I see people do it with the hobby knife. I think with hobby knife you not get the same result, but people love it. You can use it. If it's more comfortable to you, you can do it. You can use it. Okay, so panel line, very important to make the panel line. Yes, don't forget it, especially in resin kit, because some of them disappeared. Yes, that's good. Okay, in this area I have some place from the mold line, as you can see over there on the skirts over there. I don't have the time to sand it, so I use my power tool. Okay, just cut it in, little bit noise. Look, disappeared. Okay, what you can do, take a sanding sponge by Tamiya 600, sand in little bit until you be satisfied. Okay, also in this area, do you have it? I think power tool make this hobby very easy. It's take a lot of material, so be careful. After that, sand it little bit. Okay, resin kit, guys, resin kit. Okay, don't breathe it, don't breathe it. Some people say it's a little bit dangerous to breathe the resin. Maybe yes, maybe no, but we live once. Yes, so enjoy your life. Some people drink alcohol and they say it's help for your laundry and smoking and things like that. We just enjoy. Okay, if you feel that you want to put a mask and do it, it's okay. Okay, what I do more on the resin kit, I use my finger to feel if you have any heels on some bubbles or something from the models, from the mold line, from the mold of the kit. I fill it with my hand. Then why? Because if I see here over there, I feel that I have a little bit gap, a little bit heel, so I sand it a little bit, and I will feel free to. Okay, you see, it's already gone. A little bit more. And it's gone. Easy task, guys, easy task. But I want to show you some good tips. Okay, guys, about the preparation of the body. I know that people love to make a carbon slide decals or some decals, other decals. What I prefer to do is make the decals, the template for the decals, before I paint it, before I do everything. Okay, so let's say that I want this area in the carbon fiber. Okay, only this area. Do you see it? So what I do, I use a masking tape, make a template, and keep it for me. After the paint, I will use the template, but I no need to cut it on the paint. Okay, now if I make any mistake, I can fix it, but after the painting, if I try to make a template after the painting, I can make a stretch that I need to sand and everything. Okay, and paint again. So what I do, first of all, I dip the line because I want the masking tape go inside. Okay, do it slowly. Remember, this is one technique that I learned from the time. Prepare everything before. Okay, that you will not get mistake at the end. Okay, that's it. Now what I'm doing, use a piece of masking tape by Tamiya. Very easy, put it over there. It's not matter the angle, just verify it go inside with this amazing tool. Okay, you see, it's not sticky, it's mean we have a little bit greasy area with oil or something like that from the mold line. So I will wash and come back to you. Yes, okay, I wash again the car. Let's see if it stick. Yes, now it's look okay. Okay, what I do with the wooden stick, I try to find the way, the right shape of this part. Okay, this area don't important me because I will fall it down inside and nobody see it. Okay, I just try to focus on this area and see if everything okay. If you're not sure, you can see the other side and decide what to do. Okay, I think it's okay. Let's take blade, a sharp blade, and try to cut it. Okay, this is the template before the paint, guys, before the paint. Super easy. Okay, do you see? Sharp blade, guys, sharp blade. I try to make it on the camera, you know, it's a little bit tricky. But I will succeed because this is the fourth project. I learn. All the time I learn. Okay, do you see? Super easy task. Let's see what we get. Okay, yes, this is the template. Now I no need to make the other area, the other size, because I take it and make a mirror from this template to other area. Just mirror. It's decide. It's depend when you stick the sticker. Okay, also over there, it's not necessary for me. I just cut it over there, leave a little bit gap. Okay, and then fold it back. Look, do you see it? Very good. This is the masking tape. This is very helpful for the people that want to make a carbon. Now I remove it. remove the masking tape and keep it over there. Okay, on the plastic bag, I keep it. After the painting you will see me do it. Okay, so I will do also the skirts over there. Also I will do some the tail lights over there, the skirts over there. Yes, sometimes I take the model to my hand and nobody see it, and I talk and talk and talk. You know, it's tricky. I wish somebody tell me, hey, just show us your model. No, don't go. But nobody talk with me. I talk to myself. Okay. What we have more on this body, you know, you can take a sponge, a sandy sponge, sand little bit the car. If you want to make some rivet on the key over there, so you can drill it over there. Make sure that everything is in the right place and you will see it. Also you can see here we have the for the vinker, yes, the orange light, but over there it's little bit disappeared. Okay, so what I do, take a drill and just verify that it's okay. I drill it little bit. After the paint I will see it, and it's very important. Okay, now you can see, you see what I do over there and also over there, and I will show you what I do. People, don't be scared from a resin kit. It's a simple, just use the technique that I use to make it. I will make all the lines, and on the next video we will prime this amazing body with primer by Steiner Rise. I prefer to paint it with the white primer because I want original Ferrari red. I have it from 0 point. The code is 322 by Ferrari. Amazing color. I built many Ferrari in this color, and I will order more. Okay, everybody understand what we do, how to clean everything. If you not have this power tool to remove it, you can use file. It's the same. Okay, it take a little bit more time, but it's make it the same. You will get the same result. Everybody understand? You ready? Do you ready for this kit? I know that some of you wait for the end result, but it will take time. Now you enjoy. This is the part 1, and next video part 2, preparation, no preparation, just paint it with the primer, and we will continue and see if we have time. We will also make the base color in the same video for you guys, for you. So have a good day. Enjoy. I hope you learned something new today. It's very important. Thank you very much, and don't forget to subscribe to this channel, guys. Bye bye, take care.